in pining for Krishna, crying in pangs of separation because Bhagavan suddenly disappeared when they got slight Saubhaga Madam. So now they are crying and asking all the trees. Then they are saying here, Bahum Priyam Saupadaya Grihida Padmo. But Radhe Kattin Rukar. And then one hand is having the lotus. And then Jill Nadapa and tell one vihar. A very beautiful walk, both of them, and all the trees, the creepers, the Yamuna water, the birds, the honeybees buzzing, following them behind, smelling the tulsi garland that Bhagavan is wearing, which is shaking. Like this, the forest creatures are enjoying the sight of Radha and Krishna walking with the arms around each other. And Viyamana Ihava Starava Pranamam. The creepers are bowing down as though, because here creepers are, they'll build Jula, they will do Jula Nutsav. They'll bring creepers all steady the seat for the Jula, then the beautiful handles. They'll build all with flowers and creepers. So many creepers in Vrindavan like this. In the night, in the Nidhi one, even now, suddenly all the creepers become gopis and dance rasa. Daytime there'll be creepers. Ipadilam secrets happen even now. So here the creepers are big part of rasa. So they are telling the creepers are full of the Adahana jasmine flowers, many beautiful different flowers, Mallikai, Jati, Elankekara, Kadamba, all those. All are bowing down heavy with flowers and are bowing down to Bhagavan. Did Krishna at least look at you and acknowledge you? Then the creepers are also hugging each other. Richate malata bahur apyashishta vanaspatehe nunam tatkarajasprishtha vibhratyutpulaka. But how did so many flowers come? How the only flowers are seen? Dense flowers. How did they get Pulakankitam? Krishna just brushed his hands and touched them. And then the creepers are feeling horripilation. Bibhratyut Pulakanyaho. Ityunmattavacho gopyaha Krishnanveshana kataraha Leela bhagavatastasta ह्यनुचक्रुस्तदात्मिकाः चित्पूतनायन्त्याः कृष्णायन्त्यपि वत्स्तनं तोकायित्वा रुदत्यन्या पदाहन् शकटायतीं रुदत्यन्या then padan shakatayatim. One became the Trinavartasura, one became, then they remembered the Shakatasura. Shakatasura or the cart level. He came in the form of a cart, Shakatasura, and Bhagavan just was lying there and kicked the cart and then broke to pieces, and the Asura merged with Bhagavan, Shakatasura. So now they are narrating and enacting, Anukaranam, enacting. When we do enacting, we lose our inhibition, shyness, and become one with Bhagavan. When we do Divyanamam in Radha Kalyanam, we should let go of our shyness and go up, get up and dance like this, and remember the Leela and do Anukaranam. That is all the dance teachers should teach, not only for young children but also all of us. We are all gopis. Like that, the gopis Unmattavacho. So, Ityunmattavacho gopyaha Krishnanveshana kataraha Leela bhagavatastasta Yanu chakrustadatmikaha Kasyachit putanayantyaha Krishnayantyapi vatstanam Tokayitva rudatyanya Patahan shakatayatim. They completely forgot themselves and they started Krishna Anveshana Katara. They now engaged in Krishna Anveshanam, searching for Krishna. A desperate feeling of, Viraha Bhava. Then now they start thinking about Krishna and narrating the Leelas of Bhagavan. Then Utanam Odarudu, Aparam, one of the gopis became the cart and one became Krishna who kicked the cart and Shakatasura was killed. Then दैत्यायित्वा जहाराण्याम् एका कृष्णार्भभावनां लिङ्गयामास काप्यङ्ग्री कर्षन्ति घोषणे स्वनैः. कृष्ण रामायिते द्वे तु गोपायन्त्यश्च काश्चन वत्सायतीं हन्ति चान्या तत्रैका तु बकायतीम्. Trinavarta. And another one became the Krishna who killed Trinavarta. The Trinavarta carried away Krishna. So one gopi carried away one gopi and then she attached that gopi. Like that they play. Anukaranam Mandra. They became that. And then they are doing crawling in the cow shed la, like Krishna Rama would be crawling and running all over in the cow sheds. The gopis are now becoming Balram, Krishna Balram, and now crawling everywhere. Then they enacted the killing of Bakasura. All of Bakasura, who came as the crane demon, Kukkalavan, and he swallows Krishna. It is so hot for him, he has to spit it out because Bhagavan became like Agni, and so he spits it out, and then Bhagavan tears his beaks, and then he attains Sadgati. So all those leelas, again the gopis are doing. Ahuya durakayadvade Krishnastamanukurvadim Venum Kwanandim Kridandim Anyaha Shamsandi Sadviti. आहूय दूरगायद्वदे कृष्णस्तम् अनुकुर्वतीं वेणुं क्वणन्दीं क्रीडन्दीं अन्या शंसन्ति साध्विति कस्याञ्चित् स्वभुजं न्यस्य चलन्त्याः पराननु कृष्णोऽहं पश्यत गतिं ललितामिति तन्मनः. Go for grazing the cattle sometimes go far away. So Bhagavan will call Ariyo Lakshmi, he will call the cow, Lakshmi cow will come back. Ariyo Sumangala, he will call. The Sumangala cow will come back. He will like this call beautiful names, Ariyo Nandini, and the cow will come. So the gopis are doing that. I am the Krishna. See, and calling all the cattle one by one. Krishna Stavanu Kurvadim. Then one is playing the Venu. Venum Kwanandim Kridandim. When Krishna and the Gopas play in the forest, sometimes Krishna will play Venu, sometimes the kids will be doing somersault, the kids will be climbing up the trees and coming down, they'll walk like ducks or swans, they will jump like frogs, they will jump from trees to trees like monkeys. All these were the games in the forest, so the gopis are doing those games. कस्यांचित् स्वभुजं यस्य चलन्त्याः पराननु कृष्णोऽहं पश्यत गतिम्. Another is putting a hand on another gopi. See, I am the Krishna. See how Krishna used to walk. Jamuna Krishna will walk sometimes like the lion, sometimes like the elephant. Like that, beautifully he will walk. And all are seeing his on the walk path, they melt ho jayega. So, Krishnoham pashyata gatim. Lalitamiti Tanmana. With everything, the Krishna has become inside அப்படியே ரூடமா இருக்கும் the bhakti. महाभैष्टवातवर्षाभ्यां तत्राणं विहितं मया इत्युक्त्वैकेन हस्तेन यदन्त्युन्निददे अम्बरम्. महाभैष्टवातवर्षाभ्यां तत्राणं विहितं मया इत्युक्त्वैकेन हस्तेन यदन्त्युन्निददे अम्बरम्. आरुह्यैका पदाकं क्रम्य शिरस्याः परां नृप. दुष्टा हे गच्छ जातोऽहं खलानां ननु दण्डदृक्. When Indra was sending torrential rain and thunderstorms and heavy wind, etc., washing away Gokul in the floods, and all the gopis run to Bhagavan. Hey Guruvayurappa, Krishna, protect us. Then Mahabhaishta, don't fear, I'm here for you. Tatranam Vihitamaya, you are my people, I will always protect you, Bhagavan says. Tatranam Vihitamaya. And then he lifted the Govardhan Parvat with single hand, single finger. Ityuktvaikena hastena yadantyunnidade ambaram. The gopis are enacting that one. आरुह्यैका पदाक्रम्य शिरस्याः परां नृप. And Kaliya was poisoning the waters of Yamuna, and everybody died. The birds, the cows, the Gopa friends, Bhagavan got Karunai for them. He revived all of them by his Katacham, and then he got into the top of the Kadamba Vriksha, and from there he jumped on the Yamuna, and then he stirred up the waters of Yamuna, and Kaliya came up, and Bhagavan went on his head, dance adi. அவனோட பரையிட துவம்சம் பண்ணினார். This Kaliya is so powerful, so much to Vasham, toxic. The touch of Bhagavan's feet melt हो गया. स्रजा कांचित तन्वी तत्र उलूखले भीता सुदृक् पिदायास्यं भेजे भीति विडम्बनम्. बद्धान्यया सजा काचित् तन्वी तत्र उलूखले भीता सुदृक् पिदायास्यं भेजे भीति विडम्बनम्. तत्रैको वाच हे गोपा दावाग्निं पश्यतोल्बणं चक्षुंशाश्वविदध्वंवो. Just swallowed the fire. Vidasye kshemamanjasa. Then one gopi is telling, I am the Krishna. Suddenly the forest fire is coming. The gopi is telling, I shall give you protection. I shall give you relief from this. Davaknim pashyatolbanam. And then 2 times the forest fire was there. One time Bhagavan swallowed it. Another time Bhagavan just transported them to another place. And so as though the fire was not there at all. Like this Bhagavan saved, so the gopi is telling, close your eyes. So all the gopis are closing the eyes, now there is no fire. Like that, again they are enacting. Then one gopi became Yashoda and one became Krishna. And Yashoda tied up the Krishna to the mortar. And then the Krishna gopis, as though having fear. In the fear, Krishna, the one who removes all the fear, he is acting as though he has fear. Bhiti vidambanam. That's the Leela vidambanam. Baddhanyaya sraja, that is Damodar Leela. Then now comes the Radha part. Evam Krishnam Prichamana Vrindavanalatastaroon Vyachakshadavanodeshe Padani Paramatmanaha. Evam Krishnam Prichamana Vrindavanalatastaroon Vyachakshadavanodeshe Padani Paramatmanaha. Padani Vyaktametani Nandasunor Mahatmanaha. Lakshante hi dvajamboja vajrankushayavadipihi. The flag of victory. When we pray to the feet of Krishna, we get the victory dvaj is hoisted, the flag of victory. Then the amboj, the beautiful lotus is there. The lotus gives anandam and bliss for us. These are all the Pada Chinnam. Dvajamboja, Vajra, the Vajra thunderbolt sign is there in the feet of Krishna. What is this Vajra doing? Vajra is doing, it is cutting asunder the mountain of our sins that we have acquired for over many births. That Vajra, that is where the feet of Bhagavan are so auspicious. Whenever we just have a second smarane of the feet, will do all this. It will give us anandam like the lotus. It will make us victorious in whatever we are aspiring for. It will remove our sins and give clarity of thought. Ankusha, it will pull the mind that is running outside, it pull it inside to Bhagavan. It's a hook, Ankusha. These are like the 4, but there are many more. Chinnam. So as the gopis are walking, they see the footprints of Krishna and Radhe. Krishna, Radhe, Krishna, Radhe. They see the footprints. Evam Krishnam Prichamana Vrindavanalatastaroon Vyachakshadavanodeshe Padani Paramatmanaha Padani Vyaktametani Nandasunor Mahatmanaha Lakshantyehi Dvajamboja Vajrankushayavadibihi. Think about the Pada Charanam, lotus feet of our Bhagavan. As the gopis are seeing, they see the footprints of Krishna. Then they see another beautiful set of footprints interspersed. Mati mati innor footprint varade. Taistai padaistat padavim anvichantyu agradu abalaha vadva padai supriktani vilokyartha samabruvan. Taistai padaistat padavim anvichantyu agrado balaha vadva padai supriktani विलोक्यार्ता समब्रुवन् कस्या पदानि चैतानि यातायानन्दसूनुना हंसन्यस्तप्रकोष्ठायाः करेणो करिणा यदा कस्या पदानि चैतानि यातायानन्दसूनुना हंसन्यस्तप्रकोष्ठायाः करेणो करिणा यथा. Seeing the Krishna's lotus footprints, they are seeing another set right there. Now the gopis are thinking, I thought we are all here, but no, there is one lady with Krishna. Who is that lucky lady? They are thinking. Who? Krishna is putting a hand around her. And he left all of us. The leader took that lady, and the lady atra lucky ne. Kasya padani yarodu padam idunu, they are wondering. And the Radhayalada, they are here. Because of that Radha's grace, they got this prema bhava. They don't know. Say Radha will melt away. She do everything and chup. We don't even know she's there. But what a selflessness that she's not even there. Now Shuka is the Radha is holding the parrot in her hand. That parrot has come as said Shuka, narrating Bhagavatam, and now he is telling only here. Anayaradito nunam. Idan ஒரே ஒரு ராதான்னு change it's coming. In some places you will see Radhasa word வரும் 3-4 places. Ra and Dha together. So here Shuka is telling Anayaradito nunam. Anayaradit எப்பவுமே Krishna. Like that. Always immersed in Krishna. That beautiful Radhai. Anayaradito nunam Bhagavan Haririshwaraha Yanno Vihaya Govindaha Pritoyam Anayatraha. Anayaradito nunam Bhagavan Haririshwaraha Yanno Vihaya Govindaha Pritoyam Anayatraha. Dhanyaho amiyalyo Govindangrabjarenavah Yan Brahmeshu Ramadevi Dadurmudhnyaganutaye. Yan Brahm Dhanya aho amiyalyo Govindangrabjarenavah Yan Brahmeshu Ramadevi Dadurmudhnyaganutaye. Anaya aradito nunam Bhagavan Haririshwaraha Yanno Vihaya Govindaha Pridoyam Anayatraha. Radha is the one who is so blessed, they are telling the gopis, that she must have done so much bhakti to Krishna that only he took that Radha with him. Dhanya Ahu, and see here the lotus Padaraj of Radha in Krishna here. And these Padarajas, even Brahma, Shiva and Lakshmi Mata are waiting to get the Padarajas to put on their shiras to get purified. Apetpata Padarajas Yan Brahmesho Rama Devi. Dadur, for them also it purifies. They are already in high status. And the Radha, in the Mirabai episode, you can see how Bhagavan is calling us, okay? How our bhakti starts developing to Krishna more and more and more. Somehow our family told us about Krishna, but we didn't hear much about Radha first. After Krishna start liking us little bit, then later he takes to Radha, and then with Radha itself our Krishna bhakti will increase more. So it will, for Mirabai it happened. So first of all she got when she's in the previous birth, when she's Madhavi and she's getting married, her mother told her, please never look at Krishna. And because all other girls in Vrindavana are following Krishna and forgetting their duties and forgetting their families, you please don't do that. Never look at Krishna. Ne? Her mom has told. So she said, my vachan dekti, yes, I will not look at Krishna. So she has come like this. Now when she comes to Gokul, first marriage, right, the new Gopi is coming. Mirabai with a new husband, Chamatukuti. So nice husband. He says, don't worry, we have storm and rain, etc. Hamare Gopalji hai na, he will take care of us. Like that, he brings her. And for everything, he says, Gopalji hai na, Gopalji hai na. She says, who is this Gopalji? So that Gopalji only, her mom said, never go see him. So Meera already keeps on hearing. Then she goes inside. Now the storm has come and all the people are terrified. And then Giridhar Gopal, Krishna is lifting the mountain. And Meera is walking right into this darshan. Right? So the mother told, don't see, but this is, Bhagavan is right there holding the mountain. And first he enters Gokula and she's this. And then Girdhar Gopal இப்படி பார்த்து attract பண்றார். When the Krishna darshan has come, there's a light shining in him and miracle, something churning for inside. The prema and bhakti bhava are coming up so much that she forgets. And then she faints in that state of bliss. And then she wakes up after 7 days. And then when she opens her eyes, inge Girdhar Gopal. Inge pata Girdhar Gopal. Anga pata inga patalam Krishna. But what mom has told, never look at Krishna. And Meera said, yes, Vachan. Then, but what? Krishna is giving darshan everywhere. She cannot stop. Then she goes to pluck flowers. And then she saw beautiful pada chinnam like this. Suddenly, the Krishna wrote a pada, beautiful pada. Then she takes the flower and puts on the lotus chinnam. And then suddenly it becomes like a shining light and then it vanishes. Everywhere Krishna is coming, darshan just like that. Then she says, she keeps on hearing from her husband, other people, her mother-in-law takes her to Yashoda Mata's house to show her bahu. And then she's waiting, but Krishna, now Meenabai is telling, my mother told me not to see, but Krishna, you are coming everywhere. Then she cries to Krishna. She says, how can I keep my promise if you keep coming in my darshan? Please don't give me darshan now. Appadi sollita. She said that. And now what happened? But the pain, she's pining inside, but she's telling outside, please don't come and give me darshan. I don't want to see you. She's told. Then her mother takes her to Yashoda Mata's house to show the new Madhu, new bride. And they prepared laddu and brought. They are waiting. Krishna never came. Because now she has told, I don't want direct darshan illa ipo. Now she has said that Krishna didn't give. Then Krishna came after 4 hours, he came and he ate the laddu. And then he's passing them right. They are walking back to their house and Krishna, jungle Nadadi is coming. And Meera didn't see because her mother-in-law got some dust in her eyes. So Meera is helping her, Madhavi. Appa Krishna walk pandrar. Innam paakalaye nee. Krishna is pining for her as though for the bhakta. And Krishna drops a peacock's feather on her chunni. And it falls on her. And then she goes home, shows to the mother-in-law. She says, keep it very safe, Meera. Now don't give this, lose this. Now this peacock feather has created that fire of bhakti and prema for her. She doesn't know, even though outside she doesn't want darshan, inside she's pining for darshan. Or dvividala irka. She's in a conflict. And in this state, when she goes to one day to bring water from the Yamuna, when the Krishna start playing flute, that's it for her. And all the people just stand still hearing the flute. Now this is the first chapter of Rasa. Krishna is playing the flute and calling. Then she's about to go there, but then she remembers Amma's words not to go. And so she stands behind the tree and she's waiting. Krishna is playing the flute. Meera is crying. Can't see him. I can't see him. and she wants to. Then Krishna looks at her, side glance. Apare Krishna gives a look to Radhe. Now see how Bhagavan is communicating. Radhe eyes and Krishna's eyes meet. They say, this Bhakta is in our team. Krishna made a gesture and Radhe looked at him. And then she did like this, yes. Then Akrura has come. Krishna is summoned to Mathura. Madhavi does not know. And then Bhagavan, Madhavi comes home to her. Now she is in that state. Krishna, Girdhar Gopal. Girdhar Gopal, and the ulta eduthu Swabhava became only Girdhar Gopal from now. Like that she became. Then she goes and looks for the Mayur Pank. Where did she put it? Where did she put it? And then she found her husband again. Why are you like this? The husband is telling, why are you not sleeping? So we just got news. Our Bhagavan is going, somebody has come from Mathura for him. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. Then Mirabai, Madhavi is telling, what will happen? He will leave us? He'll go to Vrindavan and leave us? I don't know, it will happen. It may happen. So whole night, husband is telling Madhavi, Krishna Katha, that all we have read today. One Krishna did Putana, Krishna killed Shakadasura, Krishna killed Trinavarta, he saved us from Kaliya, he drank the forest fire, he was tied in the mortar, he went and stole butter, Ella Krishna Leela, Madhavi heard. Ippudan Bhakti is coming. Why are we reading? Bhakti is coming for us, thinking about Krishna. So then Madhavi is now fully in that. I want Krishna darshan. Ippudan chonna. She said, please don't give me darshan now. Now she's switched completely. I want direct darshan. Then next morning, they all are crying. Mother-in-law is crying. Hamare Krishna Kanaya is leaving us. So all are, now Madhavi is like, does not know what is going on. So upset. She want to get darshan. She took the Mayur Pank. I have to give Thakurji some gift. What should I give him? And then she got some butter and she runs to give butter. But she saw all the houses. Nobody is in their home. Where is everyone? Then she saw all of them have gone to Badu. Goodbye to Krishna Balram. And so she ran, taking the butter, and then she fell because she ran so fast. She fell, it delayed her, and by the time she reached, just now the Krishna's chariot had just left. Now she is crying so much, Krishna, I could not get your darshan. I'm the most unfortunate one. Krishna, why did I do this? Why did this happen to me? How many times you gave me chance? I missed, Krishna. Why did you go? She's crying. Her mother-in-law comes and consoles her. Then our Radhe comes. And the moment Radhe stands in front of her, டக்குன்னு ஒரு ஜலக் மாதவிக்கு இங்க கிருஷ்ணன் flute வாசிக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு form appears on Radhe for her. And she said, "Aap kaun hai? Who are you? You appear to me as Krishna himself. Who are you?" "I am Radha." "Aap hi Radha ji hai?" "Then yes, I am Radha, Krishna." Then Madhavi is she is lamenting that she couldn't get darshan. I missed every chance. Now what will happen to me? I'm the most unfortunate one. I'm not able to now live without this darshan of our Krishna. Meera, I'm so pining for Krishna's darshan. எனக்கு இப்படி ஆயிடுச்சு, எனக்கு கிடைக்கலையே, அப்படி அழறா. Then मेरो दर्द न जाने कोई. Nobody understands my pain. Radha ji, what should I do? Radha, pretty sweet words she talks to her. She says, you are already blessed by Krishna, and he is in your heart. Otherwise, this much prema and viraha bhava will not come for you. Krishna is already going to bless you. You are already deep in his heart. Once he gets into your heart, even if you try to remove him, he will not go, because now he is holding you. இப்போ பக்தா பகவான் தியானம் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிறார். அப்ப as they do more and more, the bhakta also gets into Bhagavan's heart. When both Bhagavan and Bhakta are having each other in their hearts, then the Bhakta, no matter what he does, Bhagavan will not leave them now. Once Guru Arpan hold has come, he will not leave. Right? So that Radha is telling, you are in Bhagavan's heart, he will not leave you from now on, don't worry. But Meera said, I will not get darshan. Madhavi says, when will I get darshan? You have got the bhakti, keep Bhagavan in your mind and he will never leave you, and then you will also get a Sakshat darshan very soon. Don't worry. Apo, Anga Krishna chariot is going, no? And Radha is speaking, Anga Krishna they show. Krishna is as though hearing and acknowledging and says like that. Radha bless Pannala, Krishna Rochal. Krishna is telling yes. So Radha has blessed. Now Meera's bhakti is growing so much. Now she get the prema bhava, that like that aching for the darshan of Bhagavan. How did it come? And the Radha grace. And the Radha Aladan in the gopis have this much prema to Krishna. And now with that Radha, our Shuka is telling, Anaya Aradito Nonam. If Shuka tells Radha, he cannot speak anymore. It actually happened in one of the Bhagavatam chapters when our Shuka is narrating Bhagavatam to Parikshit. In the Aghasura Vadam, he is telling how Krishna killed Aghasura. Apo, our Shuka went into Samadhi and he stopped talking for a few seconds. That sloka is here in Bhagavatam. Edat kaumadajam karma hariratma हरेरात्मा हि मोक्षणं मृत्यो पौगण्डके बाला दृष्टोचुर्विस्मिता व्रजे. One sloka will come, I'll find it later. Anyway, so when Shuka went into Samadhi, why did he go into Samadhi? Bhagavan danced on Kaliya and the charanam of Krishna came on that Kaliya, who is so toxic. Even the devas who drank Amridam are also afraid for their life because of Aghasura and Kaliya. Because he has this much wish, even he can kill the devas. That Kaliya, Bhagavan put his feet on him and he became Shandam on the feet of Krishna. Gopis are singing, we are going to study that next chapter, and they will say, Pranada Dehina Papakarshanam Pranacharanugam Sriniketanam Hanipanarpidam Te Padambujam Krinakucheshuna Krindi Hrichayam. The gopis are singing next Gopi Geet. Hey Krishna, your lotus feet, when the people come and fall at you, Pranada Dehinam Papa Karshanam, they remove the crores and crores of sin accumulated by people by the lotus feet. All the sins are removed, and that the lovely feet of Krishna, you left that Lakshmi Mata, who is always with her soft hands, is always doing massage to your lotus feet, but you left her and you ran in the forest of Vrindavana to graze cattle, barefoot Krishna. And so soft Lakshmi Devi and you ran in the stones and the mud of Vrindavana, that lotus feet Krishna. And then they said, Padipanarpidam Te Pada, your lotus feet, when they danced on Kaliya and they removed all his poison, and the lotus feet in Shukar became Dhyana of Bhagavan's lotus feet, and he became quiet. But Parikshit has only 7 days, already 4 days over. He is getting Katha only Saptaham. 7 days till the Parikshit lifespan is there. He has Shapam. Shukar has to finish. Now, if he goes to Samadhi, who will tell Katha what will happen to Parikshit? Clear? So, when Shuka is narrating, Parikshitoda Janamejaya, his son, and other rishis are all listening. And if they say Shuka, it's possible for Shuka to go into Samadhi and stop talking. How to revive him? to do Nama Sankirtanam, they are all ready. So in that, when Shuka was narrating that episode, Aghasura episode, then he went to that deep state, and then for Kashtapati he has to come out of that bhava and come to the world again. Then he heard the names of Krishna. So like that here, இங்க எப்படி ராதை இப்படி லைட்டா சொல்றாரு, ஏன்னா ராதை இப்படி அவரோட ராதை இஸ் எவ்ரிதிங் ஃபார் ஹிம். If he tells Anna, the whole thing is about Radha only. Bhagavatam, the jewel of Bhagavatam is the center Gopi Gir, Krishna Avtaram, Dashamaskandam. And the Dashamaskandatoda right in the middle, the Gopi Geetam is a crown jewel of Bhagavatam. And the Rasam, it's all about the Rasa. இது வந்து தர்ம அர்த்த காம மோக்ஷா புருஷார்த்தாக்கு மேல. This is the பிரேம பக்தி. அது கோடி ஜென்ம புண்ணியத்துல ராதை கிருபால we get. That is what the gopis are here. So they are Radha has blessed them like this. And now anaya aradhito nonam Bhagavan yenno vihaya govindaha pridoyam anayatraha. And Krishna's Radhaina, he will melt such beauty. She's the Hladini Shakti, Radha. So Radha is the everything for Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is ready to serve her feet. That Radha, as though pretending she's one of the gopis, she's playing with them and being their Sakhi, but she is adored by Bhagavan. Bhagavan our Radha Sevipar, Pada Seva Pandra, Anda Radha. So, Danya Ahoamiyalyo Govindangrabjarenavaha Yan Brahmeshwara Mahadevi Dadur Mudnyaganutaye Radharani ki Jai. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai.